Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this problem. And what is going on here is when I'm copying, I can see it says the error while copying. The file name, you can see how it is, they put it in quotation marks. Then down it's going to say there was an error copying the file into media. Then it gives you the hard drive. So I'm trying to use the external hard drive, but I'm finding that problem. I've been copying a lot of files, a lot of my videos. I want to do backup, but then that was the issue. So I realized that I've been doing some things, the files, the way they were named and all that. So I'm gonna fix that. You're gonna see. Then I won't have that anymore. Please just watch. I won't talk much, but you're gonna see what's going on. First of all, this is our hard drive. Then this is where we get the videos in this folder. I'm gonna copy. I have 4 files here. I'm gonna copy them. I want to paste here, Ctrl V. It gives me that error. Say okay. First step, let's try one by one file. This one. I'm gonna say cut. I'll go here. I'll say paste. Get the same thing. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna try to rename this file. See, the problem are these colons and all that. Take them out. Well, after removing all those characters, I'm gonna save. Then I cut. I paste here. You can see the file came. Go back. Another file. Cut. Same problem. So let's work on it also. The problem is like with the naming, there are dashes inside, colon is inside the file. You can see like this one, look. Okay, that is done also. See the file saved. Probably this one, the quotations and the comma. That's it. Now you can see our problem was what? The names in the file names. So you must make sure the file names are clean. Let me see, work on them. Okay. Okay. I think that's it, guys. No other I don't have any other problems with this where and videos. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. We fixed the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you find any error apart from this one, please let us know. I think that could also help us to find some problems if there's any which we didn't cover in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. That's gonna make us move when you try help us like that.